Welcome back. Normally today we would have Mayor Michael Hancock for our bi-weekly interview, but today we are changing it up.
Today we are joined by the Executive Director of the Denver Department of Public Health and Environment, Bob McDonald. Thanks for being here today, Bob.
No, thank you. Good morning.
We appreciate your time. A new variant of the coronavirus is now in Colorado. So how is the state preparing for another strain?
Well, I think, just by making sure, first of all, that all of the tests, the PCR tests that are done will detect this new variant, and all indications are that it will. I think the state lab and the governor's office, state health department have been on top of this, detected it very quickly, and will continue to take the steps needed to make sure that we can continue to pick up this new variant through the testing process as people line up to get tested for COVID-19.
So the city and county of Denver is considering applying for the state's 5-star program. We've seen other counties do this. Now, if approved, indoor dining with limited capacity could resume. How did the state decide it was safe and ready for those indoor experiences to resume, especially with this new variant now in Colorado that apparently spreads faster?
Well, listen, our decision is going to be driven by data, and whether it's this new variant or just the fact that businesses are opening back up a little bit more now, the data is going to drive our decisions. If we see that case numbers go up the way they were a number of months ago, we're going to take the action that's needed. Our decision, as we move forward to submitting our application and as businesses get certified, we're going to do it thoughtfully, not quickly, not rushed. And then again, if we see cases trend up again, we'll take the actions necessary to make sure that we stop that.
And Bob, here in Colorado, more than 73,000 doses of the COVID vaccine have been administered. What is the progress on getting our frontline workers vaccinated? And do we have enough for everyone who wants one?
Well, it's going very well. The first day that providers were given doses, one of our hospitals in Denver were able to vaccinate over 800 of their staff members that day. So I'm hearing from our medical care community that it's going well, that supplies are not short at this time. So far, it's going smoothly. We hope that the supplies will keep coming in so that we can continue with the progress that we've had.
Yeah, hopefully that continues. For people who aren't frontline workers but are high risk, when will they be able to get the vaccine, and how will they know if they're eligible?
Well, they'll be notified by their employers, and that should start here in the upcoming weeks, hopefully in the earlier part of January. That's the hope. We've moved through this first phase quicker than we had thought. It's going perhaps maybe a little smoother than we thought. We hope to see that continued success. So my sense is that it'll be sometime in January or coming up soon.
All right, here's to hoping that process continues to be smooth. That's the Executive Director of the Denver Department of Public Health and Environment. Bob, thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you.